Hi everyone. This is my first video that I'm making, so I kind of feel a little silly talking to myself here, but I wanted to start a YouTube channel to track and talk about my new journey as a Pampered Chef consultant. This is the second time I've signed up for Pampered Chef, and I am doing pretty well. I just signed up January 17th, 2026. And I just wanted to kind of give you an glimpse of how I did this. So I had a party for myself. I ended up earning a lot of free Pampered Chef and very highly discounted Pampered Chef. I know the girl for many years, so I decided to take the leap and sign up to be a consultant again and see if maybe it would be different this time around. But I paid $30 to become a consultant again, and in the $30 fee, I received the electric twist and shop, which I haven't opened it yet. I've been holding on to my things to open. I want to do a reveal with you guys. I've just been trying to work up the gumph to actually make a video. So I'm going to show you what you get when you sign up. You pay the $30 to start your own business. So here's a box that came in, a bigger box. So this is, just want to show you what I got here. So you get a Pampered Chef apron. You get a Season's Best, which is full of recipes. You have your new consultant guide. You get an actual catalog. And then you have cards where you can also try to share your business with friends. And it comes with a rewards tracker. So when you sign up as a new consultant, you can earn mega bonus rewards. So just to show you, there's different levels. Level 1, which is by 30 days, 500 in sales. You can get these items. Level 2 is 1,250 in sales in 90 days. You can win those items. Not win, but earn. Including a 25% off new consultant kit for somebody that might want to join you. And then we have level 3 at 2,500, which I'm almost there. I lack like $100 in sales. And then there's 4, which you get the stainless steel at 5,000 in sales. And what I'm working towards is this last level 5, and that's $10,000 in sales in 180 days. So my big goal right there is that air fryer. I am trying to earn that for free. And then there is when you level up bonuses. It's pretty easy to level up. You work one goal at a time, which is what I've been doing. And I am literally like $100 away from level 3 of earning those products. So for $30, I've already earned, so much more. And not to mention that the value of the twist and shop, or the electric twist and chop, is much higher than $30. So, I didn't even open the box yet. see if I can do it here. So this is the electric twist and chop. This is what you get with your kit. So you get your guide that comes with it, some recipes, there's your manual, and then of course, wow, it's a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. Ta-da! Look at this. I'm not even sure what this goes for in the catalog, but there's so many. The blade moves up and down in this one. I haven't used it yet, obviously, because I just took it out of the box, but I am looking forward to doing a product demonstration with it. Okay. And then I have sitting right here the things that I just earned for free for getting sales. So you get a congratulations. So I earned the pivoting peeler, the 5-in-1 opener, and this is cool, kids will love this, the cut and seal. So you make your sandwich and it cuts and seals, you know, taking off your crust. A lot of kids don't eat crust. And then, so that was the level 1 reward. And then level 2 reward that I earned, you get your congratulations. So I earned a Start Your Side Hustle for a 25% off coupon for anybody that would be interested in maybe even trying it themselves. You do start out as an income of 20% of sales, and it increases based off of how much you get in sales. I will say in the 2-week period that I was a consultant, that I've been a consultant, I've made $2,200 in sales and made $500. I mean, in my opinion, you know, it's a no-brainer. But if you're interested, I have a coupon for 25% off the $30 kit, or whatever kit you choose. You don't have to get the smallest kit. You can get a larger kit if you want. But level 2 rewards. I got a meatloaf mix, so that'll be great. Carnitas mix, Tuscan style herb chicken. Whoops. Seasoning. And also the stone rectangular baker. This is great. I don't know if I'm gonna. Big. Yep, stoneware. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love stoneware. Ooh, this is nice. Nice. It's enameled on the outside. The inside is like regular stoneware. This is very nice. All of Pampered Chef stoneware is made in the United States, by the way. This is very nice. Okay. I'm excited to finally open up my stuff. All right, let me move this aside real quick. Okay, and then I'm only $100 away from earning the next level, level 3. Level 3 is, now mind you, you have 90 days to be able to earn this. $2,500 in sales. You earn the serving dish, family size quick stir pitcher, 1 quart, cool and serve bowl, small square cool and serve, and a discount code to share another kit for 25% off. So that is cool. Very, very, very cool. I'm excited. So yesterday I signed up for conference with my first paycheck from Pampered Chef. So I'm super excited to do conference. You always get real nice goodies when you go to conference too. But that's in July. So to add, I made $500 and $2,200 sales, and then I did sign up somebody underneath me that was interested in the business as well. So we're kind of working and learning together. January and February is double credits towards a trip, double sales. So let me see here. Yep, I had a few parties. February's kicking off. I'm like $100, less than $100 away from my next success reward. And I'm excited. So let me know if you want to host your own party, because February's got 60% off certain 8 electronics. And I have some room on my schedule, so let me know. It's all virtual. We do it on Facebook, or we can figure out how to not do it on Facebook. I'm new, so I have to figure that out. But also in January and February, there is special sales rewards with level 2 up to $2,000 in sales and level 3 up to $4,000 in sales. So I'm earning the spring products, different levels for the spring products. So I'll be getting some more free stuff based on my sales in January and February, which is great. I'm shooting for the $4,000 in sales. I need to get there before the end of February, because there's a super awesome new product coming out that I really want to earn that thing. I can't talk about it yet, but so I am $1,500 away in sales for that, and I gotta hit that by the end of February. So if you want to help me out, you need to place an order, let me know. I can send you a link. Also, if you want to party, you want your own free stuff, highly discounted stuff, also let me know that too. It's a new year for everybody. Some people, need a side gig. They need a little bit of extra money to get through for groceries, or to pay off debt, or help pay for their kid going to college or whatever, vacations and stuff. It's only $30 to sign up. And you get so much more in return. Hit me up. Talk to you later. Bye.